What's up, guys? I'm Rico.
I'm Dan.
And we are two dudes. And today we're going to be talking about why you should not be so focused on Amazon giveaways. So, why do you not want to do giveaways? Why do we not emphasize giveaways? Because people are overly reliant on Amazon giveaways. If you go to any Facebook group, any forum, the general consensus is, hey, let's do a giveaway so we can get ranked faster and blah, 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 blah. What they don't talk about is, hey, we should probably optimize our listing. We need to have good keywords, titles, bullet points, the whole nine. Let's optimize our PPC, which is extremely important, which you will live or die by. And let's have good product photos. They don't talk about any of that stuff. It's immediately to the giveaways. So what you guys need to realize is when you do a giveaway, not only are you losing money, in most cases, losing a lot of money because you're giving away products for essentially free or $1 at most. You're running out of inventory, and if you don't have that much inventory to begin with, guess what? You're going to run out, and when you run out, Amazon is going to plummet your listing because they don't like it when sellers run out of inventory.
Yep.
But that's not even the worst part. The worst part is it's an artificial bump. Mm-hmm. So yes, you may get ranked to the first page quicker than you would organically, but most of the time those listings that make it don't have any of the optimizations that that we're talking about. So your listing will get put on the first page, you'll rank first, and you're like, yeah man, I'm getting so many sales, and then guess what? Since you're not optimized, boom, you go plummeting back to the second or third page, and you just wasted hundreds of dollars. So hundreds of dollars doing a giveaway, not to include your product cost that you just threw away doing a giveaway.
Yeah, and your first product set is probably the most important. Like if you're finding a relatively reasonably priced product, maybe you spend like $500 or $600 on it. The first question you have is, the first question you should have is, are you willing to give away that product? You're not making any money off of it. So if you come into this with a strapped wallet, you're going to consume that product cost. I mean, at least most of it. So your profit goes immediately out the window. And it's like Rico said, it's great that you'll get that artificial bump in sales, but will it sustain? Is your product good enough to sustain? It's just there's no guarantee.
There's no guarantee, and more often than not, your product is not good enough to sustain that level of sales without being optimized. That's what you guys need to look at. You have to optimize your listing.
Yep.
Stop relying on giveaways. We get tons of messages a day. Like we probably talk to a lot of you in Facebook groups, and we're in everyone's Facebook groups, man. We love helping you guys out. Like we don't just stay in our own Facebook group. We're not those kind of people. What we see in the overwhelming majority of questions we get are, how do I get more sales now that my giveaway's over? And it's like, all right, well, did you optimize your listing? Did you search for your keywords? What did you use? What's your keyword strategy?
Yep.
What's your PPC strategy? What are you guys doing? Are you guys, setting up auto campaigns? You're setting up manual campaigns? Are you looking for exact phrases? Are you looking for, more broad terms? Like, what are you doing? And they can't answer any of it.
And your initial product listing is the biggest because that's your search keywords, your key terms that you include in your listing is huge. Is it relevant? Is it going to actually turn people on to your listing? Are the people that are searching for it actually going to be able to find it? Are you using duplicate keywords? Because Amazon doesn't necessarily penalize, but they definitely don't give you any benefit by having the same keyword 15 times, either in your product description, your keywords, your bullet points, stuff like that. So I mean, there's so many things that you can do to make your listing better. And instead of worrying about giving away free product because you're desperate to make a dime.
Yeah. Don't be so desperate to make money right off the bat, okay? Just don't. There's no need for it. Do things the right way. Amazon is the long game. If you're coming in here trying to do giveaways to get artificial, numbers and make money right now, this is not the business you should be getting into. Like, we have never, ever done a giveaway.
Nope.
Not once. Nope. Not ever. We're private label drop shippers, so doing giveaways is not something that we can even do in most cases. Because the product would take, it's not beneficial. The product would take too long to get there. So we make sure we optimize everything. Anything that we sell is optimized to move. Yeah, it may take a few weeks to get to page one. It might take us a month, maybe even a month and a half to get that organic traction to get to page one. But guess what? You can bet when we get there, we're not dropping. It's not like, boom, we hit page one because we did a giveaway, and then, whoops, we screwed up because we don't know anything about optimization, and now our product is, our product listing is at the bottom of the 7th page.
And most of our products were organically ranked. So,
Yeah.
but a big benefit of that is once you get a higher organic sales rank, that means when you do get the buy box, at least in our case, because we didn't do FBA, we did drop shipping, so we had to earn the buy box.
Yeah.
You're spending much less money in ad spend, and you already have a fully tuned and optimized listing that's doing all the heavy lifting for you. So we were sitting at 80 to 85% organic sales versus, and then around the 15, maybe 20% range for, for ad spend, and our ACOS was low, but that's something that you really want. You want the work of the listing to do the heavy lifting for you, and you can't do that if you're doing giveaways.
Nope, because you don't know.
Yeah.
You don't know what you don't know because you're just so focused on giveaways.
Plus, another big piece of that is how do you know what you can actually sell the product for? Are you basing it off of somebody else's listing? Is it really going to sell that well? We ran into this issue as well, and that's the hardest thing, finding that sweet spot. If you're doing giveaways, nobody really cares about product cost at that point because it's essentially, you buy a product for, let's say, $9 or $10. Let's say, for instance, you get away from the giveaway and the listing goes live and you're done with it and it's up there. How do you know for sure that it's going to maintain that,
velocity.
that velocity? You can't. There's no way to know.
Nope. But a lot of people don't care.
Yeah.
And that's the problem.
And wonder why their listing performs so poorly.
And then you come to us asking why your listing sucks. And we have to give you the straight, honest truth, like, you didn't do any of these things. And you're like, oh, wait a second, that's not what X, Y, and Z guru told me. He said I should be doing giveaways, and I should be using Viral Launch, and JumpSend, and blah, blah, blah. Like, no. What you need to focus on are the basics. So, guys, focus on the basics. Don't worry about giveaways so much. Giveaways should be your last resort.
Yeah, it's a last resort.
It should not be the first thing you go to. Your giveaway should be your last resort based on if you're doing everything properly, your products, your listing is optimized, your price is good, you've checked the market, and you have a decent product. Now there's some products that you just should not be trying to sell. Like squishies. We'll say squishies for example. Very saturated market, very difficult to do FBA. Chances are you're not going to do it, drop shipping like we do. But these people are like, oh, I'm going to break into the market with these 10-piece squishies for $13.99 when there's someone selling 20 or 30 of them for $9.99. So you could do a giveaway all you want. You might get some sales and get ranked real high, but you're going to plummet because your price is too high compared to to your competitors, and you can only lower the price so much before it becomes an add-on item. So below a certain value, it becomes an add-on item, and then they have to buy something else and then add your product on, and it's just, guys, just trust us on this. You can make sales organically. That's what you should be focused on. So, as always, guys, make sure you're safe. And if you can't be safe, be smart about it. Whatever that means to you guys, you do it. I got kids, so
always be safe. Halloween's coming, so
that's true. Halloween is coming.
Safety first.
Yeah, safety first. Sure. But guys. So that's been why we don't do giveaways and why you don't necessarily have to do giveaways. So, as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. There's a free dropshipping ebook in our description.
How
guys.
much?
It's free $99. Free.
$99?
Absolutely free, guys. It'll help you get started dropshipping on Amazon because that's why you guys are here. You love Amazon, and we love dropshipping on Amazon. We love teaching you guys how to dropship on Amazon. So make sure you're on it. All right. Catch you guys later. Peace.